Hi everyone, welcome to your 8-minute morning yoga. We're going to do some sun salutations. My name is RAMONI. We are going to get started standing up with the hands at heart center, taking some deep breaths. Begin to sweep your arms up overhead, coming into a mountain pose. Take an inhale. And exhale, forward fold, hinging forward, reaching down. And you just want to shake your legs out a little bit. Open your legs a little bit wider, maybe hip-width distance apart, coming into a ragdoll pose, allowing your upper body to hang forward, grabbing opposite arms, and just taking some movement here. And I really want you to make sure you're relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Close the legs together and begin to roll up very slowly. Your head is the last thing to arrive, and then we just sweep the arms up overhead to mountain pose, and we bring the hands to heart center. Take an inhale for mountain pose, sweeping the arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come on the shins, the back is flat, lengthen your spine. And we come into our high plank, planting the palms, stepping the feet back. You can always lower down onto the knees if that feels a little bit better. Engage the core, you're looking down and your body is in a straight line. And we make our way back into our downward facing dog, shaking the legs out, taking a few deep breaths. And we're going to repeat that a couple more times. Take an inhale, rising up on the tippy toes and step to the top of your mat for halfway lift and forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, and hands come to heart center on the exhale. You take a deep breath. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And we make our way into our high plank. You have the option to rock back and forth here, testing out the core strength. And back to downward facing dog. Take an inhale, rising up on the toes, stepping to the top of your mat for halfway lift and forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. You sweep the arms up overhead and you take an exhale when the hands come to heart center. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. And we make our way back to a downward facing dog. We're going to step our right foot forward, coming into a warrior one. Spin your back heel down so that it's completely flat. Make sure you are facing the front so your hips are squared. And you make your way into a chaturanga by coming into your high plank, lowering down, hugging the elbows in as you lower down, and you press up into an upward facing dog. Curl the toes under, make your way back to a downward facing dog as you step that left foot forward, now coming into your warrior one. And you make your way into your chaturanga. Shake your legs out and then you step that right foot forward, coming into your warrior one and chaturanga. And now we make our way into a warrior one with the left leg and chaturanga. From your upward facing dog, you sit your hips back onto the heels, coming into a child's pose, taking a few deep breaths here. Let's make our way into a tabletop position on the hands and knees, coming into a cow pose. Take a big inhale and then cat pose round your spine. Continue to repeat this at your own pace. Open the legs a little bit as you place your left hand in the center of your mat, extending your right arm up towards the ceiling, taking some circles with the wrist, and then threading the needle by sending your right arm behind your left wrist, lowering your right cheek on the mat. You can either extend the arm in front of you, wrap the arm behind you, or you can just keep that left hand right next to your face. Let's lift that right arm up towards the ceiling one more time and then lower it back down. And now we lift that left arm up, taking our circles with the wrist, and then you thread the needle. And now we lift our left arm one more time and we lower it back down, making our way into a seated position with the legs in front of us. Take an inhale as you lift the arms up high and exhale, forward fold. Let's make our way into a cross-legged seated position, bringing the hands to heart center and taking some deep breaths. I hope you really enjoyed that yoga flow. If you would like to practice with me outside of YouTube, I do teach virtual and in-person classes. Everything that you need will be on the screen. I can't wait to see you in our next class, and I hope you have a wonderful day.